Welcome to the Easy Garage. What's up, guys? Just come with y'all with an update, man. I'm gonna show y'all my inside. My new light came. I put it up. Got a new light, new headliner. The end parts over there, I got cleaned that one up. Oh, baby. Me and my little girl, we just chilling. Yeah, guys, just want to give y'all a little update, man. Next weekend, we gonna start on doing the AC and this thing, and get it hooked up, blowing. So, yeah. Man, Bella, we just chilling. Yeah, guys, I just want to show y'all the update, guys, and yeah. Holla back at y'all, guys, bro. Like, share, subscribe, comments, and y'all let me know what y'all think about the wheels, bro. Alright. I'm back with another one, bro. I'm about to change out my alternator, and I'm about to put this one on there. 250 amp. Just came today. I'm about to start putting my hoses on my AC. My condensers is in my shop. What else? Yeah. I'm thinking about changing my intake. Thinking about it. I'm not sure at the moment, but if I do, I'll probably do that too. Because right now, guys, man, it's so god doggone hot, bro. It don't make no sense. But we about to get started with the alternator, and I'm gonna cut y'all guys back on. First of all, I'm gonna go see, can I go get my camera so I can set y'all guys up, bro, and let y'all see the process, what I'm about to do. If not, I just use my phone, but I'm gonna cut y'all guys back on once I get all set up. I'm just letting y'all know that I'm about to start on it, and we about to get to it. Let's get it. What up, guys? Man, I done finally found my battery to my camera, so they gonna be my last day taping on my phone for this minute. It's hot. I took the air compressor out and got the oil in there. I just mounted back up to barricade my AC line. So with that being said, I'm gonna put this back on real quick. I don't want them to get in there. Just screw it on. The hose I bought, it ain't go fit like I wanted to, so this is what I'm about to do. Y'all see I got the tools to crimp my fittings back on the line, so we got that going. I also got some extra AC hoses, which I'm gonna be using a few of those. But right now, guys, I'm about to. My little kit didn't come with this big old end in the box that I ordered, so and this here has to go to the tank. I can't get the name of it. This the tank. Yeah. So I'm about to cut this line off. It sure will. Yep. I'm about to cut this line off here. Alright. And put it on here. So I could put it here on this adapter that I got. And this adapter here going behind my air compressor. So I'm about to get this started real quick, guys, and cut y'all guys back on in a minute. Alright? Stay tuned. And everything. Put the cover off of everything. It's been about a good month since I just actually washed it. I sprayed it off a few times. I sprayed it off a few times. That thing showing 13 volts since I put that 250 watt, 250 amp alternator, and it even bump harder now. It even bump harder. You read 13.5. So yeah, guys, I'm finna I don't know if I can record while my music playing. I ain't got my camera, but I'm gonna get everything hooked up to my camera when I make a video next time. But cause I don't think my phone will get Bluetooth. Everybody see it might play. It might play. I'm about to see though. Oh, I don't think I have Bluetooth on because I have my Bluetooth headset in there. But yeah, guys, that's it right there. If it don't connect, then yeah, okay. I got it. My bad, guys. With my phone, connect to my radio while I go turn the camera off. So no, I can't record and it's to the music with Bluetooth. But I got better washed up. See, all washed up, man. My first time actually putting soap and water on my rims since I had them on. Since I put them on. First time putting soap and water on, man. First time putting soap and water on. So yeah, man, I just went ahead and washed it up. They getting dark on me. And I'm about to I'm about to jump on the burger, man, real quick, and wash it up. Maybe they right here, so I'm gonna knock this out, man. And we still working on the AC on Bella, so man, y'all please like, share, subscribe, comment, you know what I'm saying? Let's try to get up to 1,000 subscribers, guys. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all, bro, for just even tuning in on my videos. You know, if y'all stay a few seconds, you know what I mean? I really appreciate that, and I'm gonna get back with y'all guys soon. Alright, peace.